All right, next up, we want to, like I said before, I want to add all of the numbers together that the user typed in. So I'm going to need a variable to store the temporary result in, and I'm going to declare my variable up. That'll crash some stuff. What am I doing wrong? Oh, yeah, it will crash. It'll crash if I don't type in numbers, because I'm not using int.tryparse. And then actually I'm going to use write instead of writeLine, but that's stylistic, doesn't matter, ignore what I just said. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable up at the top of the method that will store the result of adding all my numbers together. I'm set to 0. And then I'm going to enter a separate while loop that will add them all together. So first of all, I'm going to say number index, I'm going to reset it to 0. While number index is smaller than 5, then what we're going to do is we're going to say addition result plus equals number array at number index. Then we're going to say number index plus equals 1. And then at the end of this program, we'll say the result of adding those numbers is so enter number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the result of adding those numbers is 15.